My name is Nate Cacolan. I'm a project manager for America's Home Place in the Franklin, North Carolina office. In my opinion, of the 100+ floor plans that America's Home Place offers, the Jillian is the best. My wife and I built a Jillian last year. We moved in July, and if I had to do all over again, I'd build a Jillian. The Jillian comes standard just over 1,400 square feet, has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. We ultimately settled on the Jillian floor plan based on the master bedroom was split from the other 2 bedrooms, and the living space in the middle, the kitchen and the living room, were open. And that was something that was very important to us. I feel like my wife did an excellent job picking out the colors and laying out the house. I love the open floor plan, the back porch, and we did a unfinished basement, and I love the large space that we have down there. Felt like that plan gave us the most house for an affordable price. Since all of the America's Home Place plans are customizable, we made some modifications to our home. We put 10-foot ceilings in the living room and the kitchen, and it really opened up the floor plan. That's definitely my favorite part. The other change that we made to it, we made our front porch a little bit larger, and that's where we spend the most of our time now that the weather's getting a lot nicer. We sit out on the back porch and eat dinner, and we actually put a TV on the back porch, so we sit out there and watch TV a lot when the weather's good. Our building process with the Jillian went very smoothly. Not being a very large square foot house, we were able to get into it very quick, which made myself and my wife very happy. We were excited to get in, and once we got started, it was a pretty smooth process that got over relatively quickly. We were in before we thought we were going to be. We were moved in. If you want to learn more, visit us at americashomeplace.com and like and subscribe.